Hey friends, can you see this simple thing? It's internet is on but unable to serve browser. It's very simple thing. You just get confused what's happening. You just call an engineer, he charges for you. It's not everything. Just you have to use your brain. Just see if your wire is having light on the router and also as well as on your computer. Okay, if suppose both are connected nowadays in every Windows, it gets automatically connected if your settings are perfect. Now see what's the basic idea. Just it's simple thing. It's your clock might be not working on your PC, so you have to go to on the bottom side, go to clock, change date means your time and date might not be perfect. Go to internet. Okay, see I'm just going too slow. Date, change time, internet, change setting, and update now. It's very simple. It's just for 1 minute you get very confused. Just see what's problem and yes, everything is solved. Thank you.